Si Naruto may chakra, 'di ba? Sa Visayas may ano. Chakra is characterized by two things. It's a life force and it's a spiritual force. Sa anime nga Naruto, chakra is living inside every person. And every ninja in Konoha has this strong activated chakra. It just so happened that Naruto has a stronger one kay tungod magindasok pa sa iya nga nine tails. What's very interesting is that the concept of the chakra or a life force or a spiritual force living inside every human being is not exclusive sa mga countries nga nagapate sa Buddhism like ang China, ang Japan, ang Korea. The chakra concept, para sa ila chakra na tawag, pero the concept of a life force or an ethereal being that exists in every person's body is also present in the Philippines. Juta lang galing ang nakabalo. Sa Visayas, it's the concept of the dungan. Ano ang dungan? Alicia Magos is very famous for forwarding this concept to the consciousness of the masses. But basically, a dungan is a life force and an ethereal energy. So, parang it's an ethereal entity as well as a life force that enters the body of a newborn child. And every newborn child has a dungan. And the dungan is a conscious power that chooses the host nga sudlan niya. Amo na sa ang dungan. That's why, kung magkadto ka sa concept sa mga Bisaya, ay naunahan sa dungan. Because the dungan is a very conscious power that is present within every individual. Pero not all dungans are equal. Dungan, there can be a strong dungan, there can be a less strong nga dungan, there can also be weak nga mga dungan. So that's why sa Bisaya or sa Visayas maghambal ka ay naunahan sa dungan. It means ang ini nga tawo has a stronger dungan and then this person with a stronger dungan met this person with a weak dungan. That's why this person, got intimidated by this person kay this person taas iya dungan. So the concept of the dungan is it inhabits the host, the mortal body, but it's a separate conscious entity. And it's also a life force. And then the dungan can leave a person's body. Amo na kon magtulog sa galakat na kuno ang dungan. Galaray-laray. And sometimes kung hindi kabalik ang dungan sa lawas ng tawo, that's why kuno sa Visayas they believe nga kung hindi wala kabalik sa iya espiritu or iya nga dungan, whatever they call that, hindi na sa kabugtaw. 'Di ba? Because a dungan can live without this this mortal body, but the mortal body who has survived for so long with a dungan in it cannot live without the dungan. It's a very interesting concept. Kag damo pa ko gusto ihambal partidara, pero basically that's it. Kung sa ang similarity is like kung sa Naruto may chakra, and then the chakra is like this energy inside every ninja in Konoha nga gina-activate nila to whenever they are in battle. Mayara man tanan sa Visayas. Mayara man tanan sa Philippines. Wala lang galing na obrahan story. Oh, pwede nyo na obrahan story. Pero wala lang na obrahan story. Pero we have the same concept. And it's called dungan. Dungan.